think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here through the night. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here, stay until I'm fine. It's never real until you're.
Waking up feeling like it's gon' rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay,
I don't wanna dream alone. No, I don't wanna dream alone. No one ever told me that dreams could be so lonely. And now that I know, I don't wanna dream alone. Will you dream a dream with me? Will you dream a dream with me? It's so much better to dream a dream together. So darling, oh would you please? Dreams all fade away, but if my dreams come true, if all my dreams come true, there's more to discover.
Tired, I'm tired, I'm feeling so tired. I've lost, I can't sleep tonight. Cry, I cry as time passes by. It's 2 at night, I can't sleep tonight. Why, just why, I feel unalive. I'm trapped in what I call my mind. Love, it's love, what even is love? Now I'm empty, empty, empty. I still don't change. I'm still down here. Thought I'd change. I'm still broken, broken, broken. Love, I love to cover my thoughts. Don't want anyone to cross my thoughts. Tired, I'm feeling so tired. Tired, I'm tired, will I hold it last?
So I finished my exam, the first one. I have one left, but that one's just a multiple choice question papers. After my exam day, I literally did nothing. I came home, I had pho for lunch, and then I've literally just been in bed since I had lunch. So, yeah, and the last week I've just been eating like delivery foods, which is very, very bad. Because I finished my exams on Thursday, I need to get my groceries for this week, and I've literally forgotten how to cook because I've just been revising. I can't be bothered to cook. I lied down for a little bit after I got back. That's probably why I look like this. So this one was just like a quick, well, not really quick, like around 2-hour exam. The last one was 3 hours and 15 minutes. So 5 hours, almost 5 hours of exams finished. I'm gonna have lunch, a very late lunch with my friends later. So I gotta get ready. I just got my COVID vaccine and I'm gonna go back into my room now.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot